I tried Koinly Wallet Sync app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I tried the Koinly Wallet Sync app, I wasn't expecting much. I thought it was just another crypto portfolio tracker. But after 7 days of using it, the shocking truth is that Koinly isn't just about tracking, it's about tax automation, accuracy, and peace of mind. On day 1, setup was almost effortless. I connected my exchange accounts and wallets using API keys, and within minutes, Koinly had imported every transaction from trades and swaps to staking rewards. It even caught transactions I had forgotten about. By day 2, I realized how deep the analytics go. Koinly doesn't just show your balances, it calculates cost bases, gains, and income in real time. Most people get their crypto taxes wrong because they miss details like airdrops or gas fees, but Koinly tracks every single one automatically. Midweek, I tested the Wallet Sync feature. It was flawless. Whether it was Binance, Coinbase, or MetaMask, Koinly synced all my wallets and updated transactions instantly. And it doesn't just show numbers, it categorizes everything to fit global tax rules, including those from the ERS and Merck. By day 5, I played around with its tax preview tool. It showed exactly how much I'd owe if I sold my crypto today. That level of transparency helps you make smarter moves before tax season hits. After 7 days, the shocking truth became obvious. Koinly isn't just a tracking app. It's a crypto accountant in your pocket, saving hours of confusion and potential mistakes. If you trade crypto, even casually, Koinly can turn what used to be a nightmare into a smooth, automated experience. It's not flashy, but it's a tool every serious investor should have before the next bull run.